Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on display. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on edge panels. Make sure you tap on the edge panels toggle button at the top and switch it on. Then we go down and tap on panels. In here, scroll across and locate the tools panel and make sure you select tools to add it to the edge panels. Alright, after that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to use your phone as a ruler, you want to swipe in on the edge to open up the edge panels. Then swipe across until you can locate the tools panel. By default, the tools panel will show a compass. So from here, to switch tools, you tap on the more button, and from the pop-up you can select ruler. So you can see in here it will allow you to use a number of different tools, but we're going to use ruler in this video. And then before you can use the ruler, you need to calibrate to make sure the numbers, the measurements are accurate. So tap on calibrate, and then you can drag at the top here to the left or to the right to calibrate it. So here I'm going to calibrate my ruler, so the next time I use it, it will be correct. So you can see here at the moment it shows 10, so 0 and 10. So we're a little bit off, just a tiny bit. So it's pretty accurate, but it's just a little bit off. So you can kind of like just adjust it a little bit. And once you have finished calibrating it, you can tap on the done button. So now it looks kind of like accurate now. So that looks about right. And then you tap on the done button. Alright, so once it is done, from now on you can simply just swipe out to open up the ruler, and you can use it to measure whatever you need to measure, so such as an iPhone or the camera on the iPhone, or whatever that you need to use it for. You can change the unit of measurement to centimeter or to inch, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.